Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. Alright, so to clear credentials we have to first of all enter the settings, so let me tap on them, and here we have to scroll to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and localize more security and privacy. Scroll down again and find credential storage. At the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on remove all user certificates and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.